Number 6, you're going to look to find the vertex of the quadratic function that is in standard form. To find the vertex, you need a couple of values. And first of all, it asks you to find the axis of symmetry first. So the axis of symmetry can be defined as x is equal to negative b over 2a. So you have to plug this in first. So let's get those values. A is equal to 4, b equals to 8, and c equals to 4. Let's plug this in. X is equal to negative b over 2a, and this simplifies to negative 8 over 8, which simplifies to negative 1. The fact that we have the x, now we need the y. So to get the y, we have y is equal to 4x squared plus 8x plus 4. But notice I can make that substitution. I can plug in that negative 1 for the x. So a negative 1 goes here for the x, and a negative 1 goes here for the x. Now you can just plug that into a calculator. 4 parentheses negative 1 squared plus 8 times negative 1 plus 4. And that would get you a y equals to 7. So the vertex can be written as x comma y, and it would be negative 1 comma 7. Okay, there we go. So we have to use that formula of x is equal to negative b over 2a to get the x value. Then we plug it back in to get the y value. Now let's do the second problem here, which is going to be b. All right, so let's first label our values. A equals to negative 2, b equals to 4, c equals to 3. X is equal to negative b over 2a. I can plug in my values, becomes negative 4 over 2 times negative 2. And we get positive 1 for the x. So x is equal to 1. Now let's find the y. Y is equal to negative 2. We plug in that value of 1 for the x. We square it. Then we add 4 parentheses negative 1, and then we add 3. Y is equal to, so now we can plug it in, negative 2 1 squared plus 4 1, and then plus 3. Okay, we get y equals to 5. So the vertex here would be 1 comma 5. C, let's label our values. A equals negative 1/2, b equals to negative 4, and c equals to negative 5. The formula is x is equal to negative b over 2a. Let's find that first. Negative 4 goes into the b value, 2 times negative 1/2. All right, I can plug that into my calculator. Negative 4 divided by 2 times negative 0.5, and this gets you a negative 4. So my x is equal to negative 4. Y is equal to negative 1/2. X, we know the x here is negative 4 squared minus 2 times negative 4 minus 5. All right, I can now plug it in into a calculator. And this gets me y is equal to negative 5. So my vertex here would be negative 4 comma negative 5. All right, so there you go. That is how I find that vertex given a standard form of a quadratic.